Hello guys, so today we're going to learn about the engagement settings. So right now, here's an account which I own. It's got 95k followers, so it's doing quite well, mainly just posting about dogs. And I'm going to teach you what it will look like when your account starts to grow more and over your engagement. So to go in the engagement settings, you literally just go in the top right and click on the bar graph looking type icon right next to the timer. More now, and it'll be the insights. So as you can see, I've got 105,000 impressions this week. You can go across, also show the reach, the amount of people you've reached, and your profile views, which is very important. You can also, if you have your website in your bio, it will also show the amount of people who have clicked on your website, which is really key information when you want to know how many sales you're getting and how much brand awareness you're getting to your site. It will also show the engagement settings when you go on a photo. So for example, this photo here, and you go view insights, and then it will show likes, comments, saved, impressions, reach, and the engagement. This is all really important information, guys, which you can learn. Also, each post you can see the amount of engagement you're getting and how popular your photos are. Apart from that, this is just a quick basic tutorial on the engagement settings. I hope you enjoy this video, and I will see you in the next lecture.